YouTube, we back. What's your favorite boy, bro? We giving him a reaction to the Hellcat because in the video y'all saw before, we got the Demon Springs put on. So this is gonna be like the first ride along with the Demon Springs. You're gonna feel a difference, bro. It's kind of squat, so it's pretty much a track cock. So we're gonna start it up. But we on the way to the dealership to get some oil because it's a little bit cheaper when you do it yourself. It would be wet only in our lane, but I think we're gonna have to launch it off the light, bro. What you thinking?
Let's do it.
I'm thinking.
Let's see what it's about.
It's gonna spin a little bit, but I mean, it's kind of a track hog. You wanna hold it? You gonna hold it on your face, don't you?
No.
You got, yeah. Bro, what? Don't be weird, man. I'll hold it, man.
Alright.
I'll hold it.
I don't like holding it on my face.
Boy, weird.
You need 2 hands on the wheel at all times, though.
Buddy, I'm going like that, cause I mean, I can throw my head mount on, but it's not gonna show you. It's just gonna show me. Uh-oh, here we
We're
go.
about to sell our bag.
I guess that is why, right? That boy just spun. That shit got scary, ain't it, bro?
Yeah,
we started looking at the other car.
I looked over, I said, we going fish tailing today, bro.
We'll go crazy up here.
He's scaring me today, for real. Oh my goodness, bro.
With no blink.
She did got
Bro, what you grabbing off?
Bro.
What?
Oh, hell no. You want to lie this bitch, but you
It kind of squats back a little bit. I gotta put the POV thing on.
You got
to show you. Why he staying back like that, bro?
He's scared.
You got the little tree cop? Yeah, that ain't no cop, bro. They're just moving.
That shit's slow as fuck, that's why.
You think?
For scaring us like that. Oh, they're trying to fill our bag, bro. Oh my god, bro.
Oh! No, see, there's one somewhere, bro. Someone's moving weird, bro.
He's way back there.
You think he's behind us, bro? They're trying to.
They ain't catching it. This man right here's gonna
Yeah.
You go by him, I'm flicking him off.
No, we stand behind him, bro. YouTube miss you, bro.
I mean,
They like you, though. You ran up my video you did. You almost had 500 views.
I'm popping out one day by myself.
By yourself and the cat? You're just gonna throw the POV on.
I gotta get a GoPro too.
GoPro, you gonna start a channel?
My brother got one actually.
You can start cutting up in the altar. What? Bro, you know that shit crazy. You know they cut up, bro. You know you're kind, bro.
This really ain't my kind.
It's not his kind.
I don't even be driving that shit.
Ultimate's go stupid.
That shit be sitting at home.
What you thinking?
Do it.
Hold on, we gonna get down. We gonna do a standstill, bro.
No,
Right for
you're
dodge.
not.
Right for dodge, bro. Look, we'll do a rollie.
Go. That's what I like to fucking hear, baby.
It goes extra.
Now do it again right here.
For dodge, bro.
Yeah, for dodge. They know who's coming in town.
Oh yeah.
Look at all them people looking. Look,
They're
look,
like
look.
these. We
Look
know where
again.
these fucking guys are. It's a track, ain't it? It lived up.
Shit,
They're
how
like,
you doing?
fuck.
I'm in a rocking chair.
They're like, bro, who's coming into our dealership, bro? These fucking guys.
Somebody let their kid drive their daddy's car, boy.
We pulling into Dodge, bro. We gonna get some oil and we gonna see y'all back here in like 30
Do
seconds.
it now.
No cats, nothing. So
We gotta go by the front.
yeah, we gonna go by the
Damn
front. They don't
shit.
got no tracks, bro. No cats.
No TRX.
Nothing, bro. It's all weak. It seems like
They got
it's-
some scats, but
yeah, they got some used scat. We need to come trade this boy in.
there might be some over there.
Spartanburg Dodge. Y'all looking a little low if y'all want to buy a cat. Y'all know what to do.
You gotta go green.
Yeah. Y'all come buy this cat so I can get a C8, bro.
Is it recording?
YouTube does got me acting up a little bit.
You used
But
to
it's-
never do this shit.
I know, but now it's fun.
I told you that.
I get comfortable with the camera, so it's like almost not there, you know? It takes like a year, a little over a year, and then you get
We're sitting
comfortable.
right here short.
Huh? Oh, that's because I have people in the back
I think
seat,
that
bro.
might be the Instagram model you had.
Oh, unless you're talking about my old lady.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, my IG model.
Yes, Instagram.
My Tinder date.
Yeah.
Once took my Tinder date to an exotic car show. That one. Hurry up and turn. We going. I'm about to honk.
No.
You don't think, bro?
No, sir.
Sorry, we going.
You're about to sell the bag.
Right here, bro.
You gotta put in
Do what?
miles per hour.
Oh no, we can't do that. It's green screen. It's all CGI, you already know. 2 young dudes and a cat. They heard us coming in, they heard us leaving. They're like, damn, they do drive that shit. But really, they wouldn't know. Well, we gonna let someone think they gonna get the cut on us on the entrance ramp. We're just gonna float past them, bro. You want me to cut them? You want me to cut the Avalon, bro? With them on the phone, it's gonna be crazy. It's right at 100, bro.
You gotta get them things.
But he doesn't think I can make it off the exit?
Are you still recording?
I am now. I'm about to slide. Boy, grabbing the handle today, huh? You want to feel tracky though? You want to feel a squat? Hold up. Hold up.
Oh my God.
That boy pop a fucking. That boy pop a fucking wheelie.
Holy shit!
Look,
right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
That shit lift up, don't
broke my neck,
it? That should do a wheelie. Where are we going, bro? Bentley truck, bro.
Holy shit.
Hey, hey, hey! Look at me.
Bailey, you acting up today, but
A Bentley truck, you got to though.
that shit was like 300,000.
Oh yeah.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm barking at him.
You cannot put that.
I'm putting that in. Kai, Speed, I'm coming for y'all. Whose bark is better, bro? Is my bark better?
Do it.
Wait. Wait, no, I sound like a little kick dog.
Oh, I'm a hound.
Well, why y'all looking, why? They about to fucking jump out and get us, boy. We locked it.
I'll pull out the stick.
We locked it. Shutting this, we gonna make it a little bit darker in here, aren't we? Hey. Hey. Move, baby.
You better not get stopped.
Who's getting stopped, boy?
Oh, hit that middle one. Right in front of the, right here.
Right here in front for the marrow, boy. Bro, we gotta get off. We gotta get back to work, bro.
We're going to jail.
The cat is kind of going dumb today, though. It literally squats, bro.
Oh.
It's got leg day strong. We just gotta take the front splitter off. Where?
They don't want to see me drop it with this on there.
No, you don't need to.
Scary?
But what you think of the? What you think of it, bro?
I like it.
He grabbing today. We haven't been for a drive like that in a little while.
Yeah.
Ever. He never been in the cat going actually stupid.
Nah, but we're gonna have to do some maintenance.
Yep.
So we can go over
100, bro.
Yeah.
I think the front splitter's just bouncing the whole bumper. But we got oil. We about to get the oil changed in this boy. The front splitter probably ain't gonna come off until ever. But here is the cat with the Demon Springs. Y'all can see it is not lowered anymore, and it keeps taking the damn clips out over 100, bro. You see this? It bounces. Yeah, the clip flew out, bro.
Really?
Yeah, I think it is that bouncing the whole bumper, bro. But
Let me see. Do it.
all right, look. You think, bro? I don't know. Like always, y'all stay tuned for the next video. New videos dropping every 4 days, so y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see in the next one, man.